What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, I am going to be talking about how keeping a diary helped me with a traumatic brain injury. Okay, I've never been a diary keeper, to be completely honest with you, but my short term memory was shot. Really, my memory in general, I was confused all the time, panic attacks constantly, lost taste, smell. I mean, everything. I'd forget to eat. I forgot how to get ready. But I looked like I was semi normal. I seemed like I was on drugs, mumbling, balance issues, vertigo, emotionally volatile, stuff like that. So, needless to say, I would wake up and I would have no idea where I was. And I got evicted from my house, so every day I was waking up somewhere different in my car. I was actually homeless, living in my car. Um, and so, like, I'd wake up and have no idea where I was and start out in an instant panic attack. So, I was very suicidal and whatnot around this time frame. So, keeping a diary actually kind of saved my life. I'd say it was a big part of it. Um, I would just document, how I was feeling, what was going on. Sometimes I'd drink alcohol, just, one shot to make my anxiety go away. But two shots would make my brain function go way down. So I'd write that in my diary. So the next day, I don't take two shots, you know. Um, I had doctors giving me a bunch of medications, and to know the effects when you don't remember anything gets real complicated. Knowing what works, what doesn't work. So I kept a diary, and I would write in there what worked and what didn't work, and then I could hash back and not repeat the mistakes from yesterday today. Um, Looking back on that diary, it actually got really, really dark. Some days it's depressing to read back on, to be completely honest. But um, it gave me a baseline as far as if a doctor's medication didn't help or if smoking pot helped, and what kind of pot I smoked that helped. I learned that concentrates, the dabbing and stuff like that, it was just way too potent for me. It put my brain function in the ground. Flower was best. At the time, heavy, 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 heavy indica as possible to just sedate me and make me not lash out and lower my anxiety. Now, the only medication I take is, I smoke. I have a indica, a hybrid, and a sativa, and depending on circumstances and what I'm doing, depends on what I'm gonna smoke. I do one hit. I don't get real high. I just find that level of balance where my anxiety comes down and my brain function comes up. I'm going to do a video on all of that, but I dialed all of that in through the diary. So I got off Adderall, I got off Xanax. What else did they have me on? Oxycontins, testosterone boosters, um, some sleeping pills, anti-inflammatories. Uh, I don't know. There were a lot, right? And it was very overwhelming, and all of them were horrible for me. All of the pharmaceuticals they gave me were horrible for me. Absolutely horrible. And I learned this through the diary. So, guys, write down in your diaries what happened, how you feel, everything like that, and lock it up and hide it, because if other people find it, you may go to a crazy house because, like, yeah, with a brain injury, you write some off the wall stuff. But that's the only way that you can gain ground if you can't remember. Write things down. Write what works. Write what doesn't work. Write what fights you got into with people and what happened, so that then you can look back and you can evaluate your choices, your decisions, and fine tune your life and get back in control, guys. Do me a favor. get a diary. If you don't have money for a diary, comment below. I will buy you one. I will mail it to you for free. I promise you. You need notepads? Let me know. I may start a GoFundMe and just have a stockpile of stuff that I send people that can't afford it, because I know a lot of you guys are out of work and probably life is falling apart and you're just overwhelmed. So comment below, guys, if I can help you with anything, and I will find a way to make it happen. So if there are any techniques that I'm talking about and you can't get the materials needed to do it, comment below. You can look me up on Facebook, Joel Ibsen, Ibsen, and message me there. On Instagram, I am the Traveling Angler. You can message me there as well. And if you guys need any resources whatsoever that I am talking about, please let me know, and I will make sure to get them sent over to you. I don't know how I will, but so far God take care of me. So, I'm going to take care of you guys. So I'm in a better position because I've been able to implement these things, and I'm looking to grow a community, and I'm looking to help anybody any way possible so they don't go down the suicide route and all that stuff that I did. We'll get more into that, but we're coming up on 6 minutes, and I'm rambling again, so I appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one. Hang in there, guys.